Do you need a solution which tests and finds electronic system faults quickly? Do you need a system that can keep circuits working, extending product life, and eliminating obsolescence? For over 40 years, our supplier, ABI Electronics, has created automatic test equipment for evaluating and maintaining products that incorporate printed circuit boards. Whether it's mass transit, defense, or industrial machines, they all need an efficient and reliable system of maintenance for electronic circuits over their working lives. These businesses rely on ABI Electronic systems for the testing, repair, and support of their electronic modules and boards. ABI's flagship Boardmaster 8000 Plus is a versatile, self-contained, customizable, and easy-to-use board system. It offers a comprehensive set of mix and match test instruments for fault finding on almost any kind of PCB. It also allows users to quickly generate custom test sequences to perform specific tests that even find subtle faults that are not found with other test instruments. ABI products keep your electronics working close to where they're used, saving time and costs. Fast repair turnaround times are now possible, even by less skilled technicians, saving money and time for your high-value electronic circuits. We offer comprehensive training sessions with each sale. At one recent training, the customer fixed a valuable board that immediately paid for the system they just purchased. Another customer stated that a thorough amplifier test that previously took 2 days could now be done in 10 minutes. See our newsletter here for more details. Thank you for watching.